You ask Tiger to calculate. This deals with linear inequalities with one unknown. The final result is x greater than 31. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the inequality. Add 31 to both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Plot the solution on a coordinate grid. And so the final result is x greater than 31.